Are big social media companies like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram going to be banned in India in 1 or 2 days? Well, we'll get to that in a bit. First, let me tell you about the new IT Act which was launched on February 25th. Now, the government calls them significant social media. They must have a chief compliance officer in India who can respond to government demands and needs whatever required. For example, if the government requires data of a user from Twitter, and if the demand is legally valid, then this compliance officer will be responsible for producing the data. The government has asked for a nodal officer that will coordinate with the law enforcement agencies 24/7, and whenever the government requires such coordination, he or she is required to help them. Now, the third is the social media companies have been asked to hire a grievance redressal officer, whom the social media users will be able to approach with their grievances if they have any. And finally, companies like WhatsApp have been asked to ensure they can trace a message to the original sender. Effectively, this does mean breaking off the end-to-end encryption on messages. Complying with such a request is incredibly challenging, if not outright impossible for a service like WhatsApp. The government came out with the rules on February 25th. It said that the companies have 3 months to comply. Now, the deadline is over, but are the apps going to be banned? Now, when an intermediary fails to observe these rules, the provision of subsection 1 of section 79 of the Act shall not be applicable to such intermediary, and the intermediary shall be liable for punishment under any law for the time being enforced, including the provision of the Act and Penal Code. What does this basically mean? Now, we need to understand that what is a subsection 1 of section 79 of the IT Act. Well, this clause in the IT Act gives protection to social media companies and web services by making them intermediaries. Now, this means they are not responsible for user content. So what the government is saying here is that if a Twitter, Facebook, Google, WhatsApp or any other social media company do not follow the new rules, they will lose the protection that intermediaries get in the IT Act. Once they lose this protection, they can be dragged into a court and prosecuted using the applicable laws. What does all of this mean for you? Nothing much in the short term. Twitter, whether it manages to comply with the new rules or not, it will still continue to work tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Same with WhatsApp, Facebook, Netflix, Instagram, or for that matter, any other service. But these services, if they do not comply with the government rules, will only work until the government doesn't move against them. I'll explain it to you with an example. Turkey last year asked social media companies to appoint a similar sort of compliance officer that India is also seeking. Where there was a case of non-compliance, the Turkish government banned social media companies from serving advertisements in Turkey. Now, the social media company did work in Turkey, but they were not allowed to do business or run ads in Turkey. So these are the kind of things that the social media companies have to face if they don't comply with the IT Acts. What are your views on this? Please do let us know in the comment box below. This is Abhigyan Singh from Bangalore 24/7 signing off. Thank you.